Welcome to Linux Help. How to set up LAMP stack on Docker with Oracle Linux 9.3. A Docker LAMP stack is a software package that consists of Linux operating system, Apache web server, MySQL database management system, and PHP server-side scripting language. It is containerized with Docker technology, simplifying deployment and maintenance. Check the OS version by using the below command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux 9.3. Add the official Docker repository by using the below command. After the repository added, install Docker, which is composed of 3 packages using the below command. After installation has completed, start and enable the Docker daemon by using the below command. Now check the status of Docker by using the below command. Docker service is running and active. Install Git and download for LAMP stack by using the below command. Clone the LAMP from GitHub by using git clone command. Long list the file and verify the downloaded LAMP directory by using the below command. Now go to the LAMP directory and long list the LAMP files by using the below command. Open docker compose.yml file and verify the version and port number for LAMP, then save and quit from the file by using the below command. Next, open Docker file and verify the installation command for LAMP, then save and quit from the file by using the below command. Now go the document root location inside the LAMP directory by using the below command. We can keep our web files in www directory by using the below command. Now use the Docker compose command to pull images and create containers and required networks for that go to LAMP directory by using the below command. Check the container status by using the below command. Now go the web browser and check the LAMP service status by using our server IP address with LAMP service ports by using the below command. Enter the username and password. This is the dashboard of PHPME admin page. Now you can change MySQL password for that login MySQL container and change DB root password by using the following command. If you want to stop containers, run the below command. Now check the container status by using the below command. This is the process to set up LAMP stack on Docker with Oracle Linux 9.3. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.